Drop it! No, dodge it! Drop it!
2030 now, Roger.
13 was the location.
Every deploy, women.
13 is Kenmore, north of Wilshire.
Put it down!
Drop it!
Hey,
Hey, Connor, get the back shot. Get the back shot.
2813 short, 20.
2013, Roger.
Get the shot. Drop the fucking gun!
Hey, Connor.
Roger.
Get the shot. Drop the fucking gun! 2845, you have the suspect walking eastbound on Wilshire towards California.
Yes.
Adam 45.
Come on. Suspect is walking eastbound on Wilshire towards California.
Drop the fucking gun! Drop the gun!
Is coming southbound? He's right there.
Hey! Drop the gun! Drop the fucking gun! $28.45, you're gonna have the suspect on the south side of the street in Wilshire, just west of Kalamazoo. Male white shirt, black pants. Still armed with the rifle.
Suspect is on the south side of the street, Wilshire, west of Carolina. Male white shirt, black pants.
Drop the gun!
No white. Wait, stop.
Suspect is on the street, Wilshire, west of Carolina. Male white.
Hey, drop it! In your hand, bro! Drop it! Shots
Go
fired!
on, just rifle.
Drop it, bro! Drop it! Drop it, bro!
Supervisor responding to your fire.
I got it, I'll put it up. 20.
Very good, I don't have eyes on it.
Wilshire, just west of Kalamazoo. Male white shirt,
No white,
black pants. Still armed with the rifle.
No white. Wait, stop.
Suspect is on the street, Wilshire, west of Carolina. Male white.
Hey, drop it in your hand, bro! Drop it! Shots fired! Drop it, bro! Drop it! Drop it, bro!
Supervisor responding to your fire.
I got it, I'll put it up.
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun!
Step on the door. Hey, don't make the fucking gun before I shoot you! Drop it!
Push forward.
Take this shot.
Come on this side. Watch out.
Drop the gun! You got a shot? Take it, alright? What's up, brother? You got 40 here, there we go. 40 up, 40 up! Stop, stop, stop. Drop the gun!
Hey, better shot, good shot. You got a better shot over there.
Watch out the back now.
Corners, the parking lot, northwest corner, behind the climbing spot.
No.
Giving it command. Stand by.
Hey, right here. You got a shot on him. Right here. You want.
20, giving command.
Drop the rifle! Drop the rifle! Drop the rifle! Drop the fucking rifle! Out!
He's right here behind the Connex box.
Have the unit go on that side, get a different angle.
20. Suspect is corners. Parking lot, northwest corner.
Put it down!
Behind the climbing spot. Command. Stand by.
Who's my contact? Who wants to give command?
I'll be contact.
Yeah. You want slug?
Hey!
You want slug?
Make sure that's 40! Call it out!
Hey, Sarge, you want slug? I got slug if you want slug. You call it the shotgun? Okay. You two on deck. Hey, call it out! Fire!
Right there.
40 ready. 40 stand by.
40 stand by. 40 stand by.
Forty ready. 40 stand by. 40 stand by.
The quadruped unmanned ground vehicle is a versatile and agile remote-controlled robotic device that can navigate challenging terrain and perform a variety of tasks. The quadruped robotic device is deployed during tactical situations and is not equipped with any weapon system technology, facial recognition, or analysis software capabilities.
How you doing, Taylor? Get a little bit more strength in you? It's a camera. It's strictly a camera is all that is. Just try to look at your leg and see how bad your injury reaction is. Don't worry about it. Like I said, it's just a camera. You can talk to it, actually.
Not really a gun, I don't think.
Big gun?
I don't know. Possibly.
How's your energy level coming back a little bit? Are you feeling a little less sleepy? You feeling a little bit better?
Negative. Did not pick up. Alright, let me try it again.
Okay, I understand you're feeling sleepy, so just to get your medical taken care of.
Can you just drag it back?
Yeah, that's what we do.
it even a pistol? I think it's a lighter.
It looks like a lighter. So it's up to you.
Hey, Taylor, how's your leg feeling?
All right, buddy, we're here to help you. Just keep your hands where we can see. Hold still, hold still, hold still. Okay, we're gonna move up. Keep your hands where we can see them. Keep your hands up. We're good. Come here, come here. Come here. All right. Hold still, hold still. Relax, relax. Relax, relax. Hold still, just relax. You put my balls in my ass. All right, we got you. Don't worry. Yep. Hey, relax your arm, bro. Relax your arm. So